Today we are gonna descale Nespresso Vertuo Next machine. We'll use a desalination kit and you'll see all the steps included in this video. This is the Nespresso descaling kit that you can buy from Nespresso, and this is what's gonna be in use. You should definitely use this opportunity to also make sure that your machine is clean outside, inside, wherever possible. So clean the pots. They should be empty before the descaling, and I have pre-cleaned it as well. You can also do it. I also make sure to clean the drip tray. Always nice to have your machine clean so that it lasts longer. And then we'll follow with the next steps. Fill in the jar with water, and before we go about desalination, we will do the regular 3-button clean. And for that you need a container which will collect the bad water coming from outside. So put it just below the machine. Put your water jar in place, make sure it is locked. Unlock, lock, and then press 3 times. You see the orange light blinking, that's the cleaning mode. And now it will clean itself just with the water initially. This will go on for some time. Three-click process of cleaning is finished with just water. Now you can see it's quite yellowish, so there was a lot of coffee inside, which it has cleaned by itself without the descaling. Now we need half a liter water in the jar to start with the descaling process. Here the bag is there which contains a desalination chemical. We need to be careful not to touch it. So carefully pour it in the liquid water jar. Put the jar back and make sure it's locked to begin the desalination process. Put the empty container to collect the liquid in front. And now the most important process of how to initiate desalination mode. Unlock the machine, open, press it below, and now keep it open and press long for 7 seconds. Now lock it. Unlock again. Press 7 seconds again. Lock it again. Now there is a fast red or orange light blinking. So we just need to press the button to initiate the descale mode. If you see carefully, it is blinking a little faster, so which indicates it's the descale mode. Once this step of desalination completes, you see the jar is empty behind, and you see still pinkish water that has come outside. Remember folks, the descale mode is still on, so this is just the first step. The next one will be to empty the container and prepare it for the next part, and also refill the water to the top, or 1 liter at least. Our container is emptied again and jar is full of water again. We need to make sure we used a chemical in that jar earlier, so better wipe it, clean it with a dish soap and refill it, since we don't want to leave any trace of that chemical. The descale mode is still on, so all we need to do now is just press it once again. Once this step is complete, you see there's a white light again, and I'll just press it for 7 seconds to ensure that the desalination process is completed. That's it, friends. This was the descaling process for Nespresso. I hope it will be helpful for you. As just a precautionary step, I'll use a tissue to open it and clean it from inside, as few particles gets collected over time, so that it's clean inside outside. And lastly, I may run it for the 3-click clean process again to ensure it's even more cleaner. Rather, I would do it every week if you use it quite often. Thank you.